Today we're diving into an incredibly exciting topic, SpaceX's monumental fourth test flight of the Starship spacecraft. This test was filled with breathtaking moments and ended with great success. SpaceX launched the Starship, the most powerful launch vehicle ever made, on Thursday, achieving the fundamental goals of demonstrating its reusability. This marked the company's second unmanned test in 2024 and was eagerly anticipated. The launch took place at the private Starbase facility in Boca Chica, Texas at 7:50 CT. SpaceX streamed the event live, capturing the attention of millions of viewers. The Starship launch system includes the upper Starship spacecraft and a booster known as the Super Heavy. According to SpaceX, 32 out of the rocket's 33 engines ignited during liftoff. During Thursday's test flight, the vehicle surpassed numerous milestones, including surviving re-entry heating of the Starship capsule and successful separation of both the capsule and booster. The Super Heavy booster successfully performed its first controlled landing burn and made a soft splashdown in the Gulf of Mexico approximately 8 minutes after liftoff. Meanwhile, the Starship capsule successfully achieved orbit. Approximately 50 minutes after liftoff, the spacecraft began its controlled re-entry journey, with the heat shield glowing brightly due to extreme temperatures in the Earth's atmosphere. SpaceX's Starlink satellites aided in facilitating a continuous live stream during re-entry. A cover near the camera view on Starship appeared to burn during re-entry, partially obstructing the camera's view. However, there was enough visibility for the Starship to achieve its expected landing in the Indian Ocean. The Starship spacecraft is coated with approximately 18,000 lightweight hexagonal tiles designed to protect the vehicle during re-entry. The launch was initially scheduled for 7:20 CT, but SpaceX's ground team was dispatched to resolve an issue on the launch pad, causing a delay. The flight test took place 2 days after the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, granted approval for commercial rocket launches. It occurred a day after Boeing, SpaceX's competitor in NASA's Commercial Crew Program, successfully launched its Starliner spacecraft, carrying 2 senior NASA astronauts to the International Space Station. Each test flight of the Starship has different objectives based on lessons learned from previous flights and achieved milestones. The Starship team made software and hardware upgrades to the launch system to combine lessons learned from the third flight. SpaceX aims to accelerate progress towards a reusable future with each Starship flight. Elon Musk, CEO of SpaceX, has repeatedly emphasized the company's central mission to send humans to Mars for the first time. The first 2 attempts to reach orbit with the Starship in 2023 resulted in explosions due to the spacecraft and booster failing to reach their intended landing zones before landing. SpaceX faced fiery setbacks in the early stages of spacecraft development, but these failures helped the company rapidly implement design changes that led to better results. SpaceX's rocket development approach focuses on speed. The company utilizes a method called rapid iterative development, primarily driven by a desire to quickly build prototypes and learn how to build a better one by intentionally blowing them up. This approach is faster than relying solely on ground tests and simulations. Following explosive first and second Starship test flights, the company attempted to categorize these setbacks as successes immediately. The approximately 1-hour third test flight in March reached several milestones before disintegrating after re-entry, instead of splashing down in the Indian Ocean. A significant test of the cargo bay, a cover that needs to open for the spacecraft to deploy satellites into space, occurred before resealing the mechanism. SpaceX also performed a propellant transfer demonstration, transferring some of the propellant from one tank to another on board the Starship. Engineers designed the demo to test how refueling would be conducted during future missions with the Starship in orbit. For Thursday's flight, SpaceX made upgrades, hardware, and software changes to assist with igniting booster engines and added extra thrusters to Starship to prevent unexpected rolling events that occurred during the third flight. SpaceX CEO Elon Musk has described the rocket as central to the company's founding mission, to send people to Mars for the first time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.